The RADCLO Mini Drone, with its 1080p HD foldable drone, offers exceptional stability during hover, auto-follow, gravity control, and trajectory flight features, making it a user-friendly device suitable for both beginners and skilled users. Equipped with a 1080p camera, this drone captures stunning images and videos, allowing you to enjoy a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, and it uniquely offers a 90-degree adjustable lens for versatile shooting. The drone is packed with multiple functions such as 3D flip, headless mode, trajectory flight, gravity control, auto-follow function, and even virtual reality, ensuring an enjoyable flying experience. It boasts a long battery life with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending the flight time to approximately 25 to 30 minutes, and features overcurrent protection and an emergency stop for safe and reliable flight. The drone can be easily controlled with the RADCLO application, and in case of any issues, RADCLO offers 24-hour technical support, quality warranty, and money-back service. Priced at $49.99, this drone, with its high review score of 4.8 based on 131 reviews, offers excellent value for money and is a great gift choice for birthdays and holidays.